Give oneself up to a mouth-watering sweet potato pie with its cinnamon, brown sugar, and canned sweet potatoes this Thanksgiving. This sweet potato pie recipe bakes in a flaky and tender pie crust. It has allspice and precisely sweetened to satisfy all sweet-toothed. Canned sweet potatoes are perfect for baked goods. It is flavorful and helps with the pie consistency. No peeling and chopping needed to make it so. Scoop out the flesh with no difficulty at all. Select quality canned sweet potatoes, and you will arrive at a much sweeter pie that is both appealing and delicious. What you will need to make this sweet potato pie with canned sweet potatoes. Ingredients for pie crust. Crust of pie. 1½ cup all-purpose flour. ½ teaspoon salt. 3 tablespoons of water. ½ cup butter. Ingredients for canned sweet potato pie filling. 1½ cups mashed canned sweet potatoes. 1 cup whipping cream. 2/3 cup packed brown sugar. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon vanilla. ½ teaspoon ground allspice. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 of large eggs, beaten. Step-by-step instructions. Making pie crust, canned sweet potato pie. Step 1. Preheat oven to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a bowl, add the flour and salt, then cut the butter into the flour mixture. Step 2. Gradually add a tablespoon of cold water to the mixture. Blend it until the dough becomes smooth and soft. Step 3. On a floured bench, knead the dough and shape it into a ball. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough out as 1/8 inch thickness. Next, use a 9-inch pie pan and turn it upside down on top of the dough. Trace it and cut it 2 inches bigger than the pie pan with the use of a sharp knife. Making pie filling, canned sweet potato pie. Step 1. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab your food processor and place sweet potatoes, brown sugar, cinnamon, allspice, whipping cream, lemon juice, vanilla, and eggs. Step 2. Blend until smooth. Pour pie into pie crust lined pan. Step 3. Bake the pie for 15 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350, bake for 30 to 40 minutes, until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Step 4. Take it out from the oven then, let chill on a cooling rack. Serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. Make holes in the crust to prevent it from inflating. Freezing a cooked sweet potato pie is possible, yet it will become soggy. Note: freeze before cooking your pie because you will need to thaw it before baking. It is okay to freeze sweet potato pie. However, be sure to defrost it slowly in the refrigerator to prevent it from getting wet and moist on top of the pie. Allow your sweet potato pie to cool and rest for a day for the best results, and 4 hours as a bare minimum if you have a busy schedule. When done baking, if you prefer not to take the internal temperature of the pie, that should be 175 degrees Fahrenheit, you can insert a knife into the edge of the filling to check if it is moist but clean. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.